power of the mind. Buddha's lesson on the law of attraction. Once upon a time in ancient India, there was a wise teacher known as Buddha. People from all over the land came to hear his teachings, seeking wisdom and peace. One day, a young man approached Buddha with a question that had been troubling him for a long time. Young man said to Buddha, "Great teacher, I have heard about something called the law of attraction. People say that our thoughts create our reality, but I don't understand how this works. Can you help me?" Buddha told to young man, "My child, the law of attraction is indeed a powerful force, but it is not something new. It is the power of your mind, and it has always been with you. Let me tell you a story to explain how it works. There was once a farmer who was always unhappy. Every day he would think about how hard his life was, how little he had, and how unlucky he was. His thoughts were filled with negativity, and he believed that nothing good could ever happen to him. The farmer plants seeds, but his crops fail to grow well. He becomes more frustrated and angry because his mind was filled with these negative thoughts. The energy he sent out into the world was also negative, and as a result, he attracted more of what he didn't want: failed crops, poor health, and unhappiness. But in that same village, there was another farmer. This farmer, despite facing the same challenges, chose to think differently. Every day he would focus on what he was grateful for: the warm sun, the fresh air, and the seeds he planted with care. The crops in this farmer's field grow tall and healthy. He works with joy, attracting abundance and happiness. His positive thoughts created a positive energy, and in return he attracted good things into his life: bountiful crops, good health, and happiness. His mind was like a magnet, drawing in the very things he focused on. Buddha said to young man, "My child, this is the law of attraction. What you focus on, you attract. If your mind is filled with thoughts of lack, fear, and negativity, you will draw more of these into your life. But if you focus on abundance, love, and positivity, the universe will respond in kind." The young man closes his eyes and takes a deep breath, feeling the wisdom of Buddha's words sinking in. So, Buddha's lesson is simple, but profound. The mind is powerful, and the thoughts we choose to focus on shape our reality. By choosing positive thoughts, we can attract positive outcomes. So remember, you have the power to create your reality. Focus on the good things, and the good things will come to you. This is the law of attraction, and it is within you. Your mind is your most powerful tool, because your mind is your best friend, as well as best villain, so use it wisely. At last, thank you for watching. If you found this story inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more wisdom videos from the teachings of Buddha. I hope you will definitely keep this story in your mind. Implement in your life for better result. That's all for now. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Love from India.